Hi guys, in this video, I'll show you how to use HNR Block Online to file your total 2026 taxes with step-by-step guide that makes the process simple and stress-free. Filing your own taxes is a great way to save money and ensure you get your maximum refund while keeping total control over your financial information. To get started, you should visit the official HNR Block website and create an account or sign into your existing MyBlock portal. Before you begin the digital interview, you must gather all your necessary documents like your W 2 forms from your employer, 1099 forms for any freelance work or any interest, and your social security number for everyone on the return. Once you are logged in, you can choose between the free online edition for simple returns or paid tiers like deluxe and premium if you have investment or rental properties. The program will guide you through a series of easy questions about your life and income, such as your filing status and whether you have any dependents or charitable donation to report. You can use the easy document upload to feature. Take a photo of your W 2 with your phone, which automatically fills in the most of the numbers for you. As you move through the section, the software will check for every possible deduction and credit like child tax credit or earned income tax credits to help lower your tax bill. After you finish entering your info, you should go through the accuracy review where the program identifies any errors or missing details that could cause a delay with the IRS. When you return is ready, you can choose to receive your refund via direct deposit